Hey guys, welcome out to the range. I was getting ready to do some videos for you guys and suddenly remembered something. Yesterday I went out to look at a property, and the property has 20 something acres to it, and it's out of our price range. And I realized that there is power in prayer. Oh man, I don't know why I didn't do this before. Guys, there's power in prayer. So what I'm asking every one of my viewers out here, say a prayer on behalf of the Miranda family that God will guide us very clearly whether we should buy this property and go on faith or whether we should be looking somewhere else. Guys, I've been trying to find a piece of property like this. This belongs to my friend Don. And I've been trying to find a piece of property like this where I can offer training. Right now, where I'm standing in that direction, about 700 or 800 yards in this direction, is a wedding venue. In the time that I've been out here for the last couple of years, Don has developed a wedding venue up here. And I told him the other day, I am not going to be offering training anymore out here because I'm not going to risk you guys trying to run a wedding and us being out here making racket. So out of respect for him, I've ceased offering training out here. And right now I'm out here because I basically skirt around their schedule. But I realized that there is power in fervent prayer being lifted to our Father in heaven. So what I'm asking of all of those of you out here that are willing to do so, please say a prayer for guidance for me and my family, whether we should move toward the property, whether we should move away from the property and look somewhere else. These are some quick shots of the property, and I'll give you guys the bigger picture of what we're talking about. This is a property of roughly 20-something acres that has a 1,000 square foot house that is essentially a glorified hunting shack, hunting lodge. Well, it's not really a hunting shack, because honestly, it's a respectable, clean house. Okay, but it's 1,000 square feet, and there are 4 of us in my family right now. And my daughters are kind of like about being crammed in a small space. But like I said, it comes with a lot of acreage. And what it would allow me to do is finally offer training in a very open venue where I want you guys to experience this. The things that I get to do out here, I don't get to do anywhere else. And I want to offer this to everyone. So please send up a prayer that God will give us guidance either way. We're fine either way. Whatever God chooses, we're fine either way. But I need prayers going up. Also be praying for our country, because today is November 2nd. Tomorrow is election day. As always, I thank you guys. God bless you all. Get those guns out and practice. Have a good one.